Hello and welcome guys. Today we are unavoidably looking at the Bitcoin price after its crash of more than $700 last night saw it slip below critical support. So remember to like and subscribe and let's get into it. So Bitcoin has fallen below $9,500 for the first time since July. And while Bitcoin has a habit of fluctuating around 10K, this time feels slightly different. So in little under than an hour, Bitcoin produced a $700 red candle, finding support around 9.6K before slipping even further down to around 9.3K and finding a bottom down there. So a few analysts are suggesting that 9K to 8.8K stands as critical support, including one analyst here suggesting that if this fails to hold, we could be back in 8K territory. Some have also noticed that Bitcoin has fallen below a critical trend line that it was using as support. But what's causing this dump? There's been a few suggestions floating around today, and our first one comes from a prominent semi-retired crypto trader called Angelo BTC, with apparently enough influence to move the markets, because some are suggesting that this tweet here was the reason, or one of the reasons, for the dump. So according to the analyst, he received a message from his whale friend who suggested that the bears may be fully in charge once 8K was broken. So coincidence or not, a few minutes after this tweet, the market tanked, leaving many to believe that it was either the tweet itself to blame for causing FUD, or more likely that the anonymous friend of the analyst, the one with the major bucks, triggered a sell signal by dumping a load of BTC. Another possible cause for the crash, however, may be the close of the CME futures contracts. So historically, the expiration of the CME Bitcoin futures contracts has tended to correlate to an erratic movement in price either way for Bitcoin. This time clearly is towards the more bearish end of the spectrum. So what happens next? Well, it all depends on whether Bitcoin manages to hold 9K. Failure to do so could lead us down to the 8,000 region, and if Angelo BTC's friend is correct, then we could be in for trouble. Countering that, though, is another analyst called Josh Rager, who relayed a few days ago that there was a lot of interest down near 8K, which in theory could provide another leg up if Bitcoin does go that low. However, according to Nigel Green, the CEO of the DeVere Group, Bitcoin is not going anywhere near 8K and is bound to resume trading above 10K any day now. Green noted that Bitcoin has fluctuated around these levels for a while and has cited instances of Bitcoin falling below 10K and shooting back up instantly. So Green actually also reiterated his recent prediction that Bitcoin would hit a new yearly high of 15,000 due to geopolitical uncertainties, as well as growing fundamentals around BTC and growing adoption within Bitcoin. But wherever we go in the next few days, it's sure to be an interesting ride. And to be honest, getting near 8K would be a fantastic buy-in point anyway, and continuing to hit highs of 15,000 would be fantastic, so can't really complain. But that's all from me. I'll pass it on to you. Let us know what you thought. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you want more content like this, and I'll see you tomorrow.